Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Kube Carafe drinking water filter. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a drinking water filter from Kube by Kinetico. And taking a look around the side of the box, there are some product details and features. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, pulling out the box flap tab. And then removing the contents from the box. And always making sure nothing else is left inside the box. We're going to set the box to the side. Let's set it on the right hand side right there. And just laying the contents in the middle of the frame so you have a nice clear view of what we've just removed from the Kube Carafe drinking water filter box packaging. So let's start off by removing the plastic wrapper from this part of the carafe. And as you can see, the plastic wrapper or bag is recyclable. And then removing the main body of the drinking water filter carafe. So now you have a nice good view of the Kube Carafe drinking water filter right in the middle of the frame right there. Okay, so giving you a close-up look now at what is the top of the carafe. And you can see it does have a nice satin stainless steel finish. And the underside as well. So you can see that there are 4 grills there. And the top section looking down and into the spout or top of the carafe. And giving you a close-up look to the what appears to be rubber seals. For the stopper top of the carafe. And there is a little stopper there to keep the flap of the spout or lid down and in place as well, so that the lid is always closed and in place on the top. And of course, now taking a look at the main glass body of the carafe. It does have a very svelte shape, tall and elegant, with a nice middle contour tapering to the middle. And looking down, just to give you a good look into the carafe, and of course showing you the thickness of the glass of the carafe. As you can see, nice rounded edges of the carafe. Very well designed. No sharp or unsafe edges to this Kube drinking water filter carafe. So this is once you've filtered your water out from the Kube system, you can store that filtered water in this carafe. So the carafe itself does not filter water, but instead it just stores the water from which you've filtered from the Kube system. So this comes with the Kube drinking water filter system. So giving you a look at that Kinetico branding as well, which shows on the lower part of this carafe. And the bottom part of the carafe as well. So nice and flat right there. And giving you some sense of size as well, as always, resting in the palm of my hand. And just tapping on the glass, you can hear that this is a nicely shaped carafe, glass body with a nice and thick glass body. And of course now let's put the lid on the carafe, giving you that close-up look right there. So really nice to see that triple layer seal there, giving it a nice airtight finish and fitment. You can see it stays firmly in place. Of course, there's no water in it right now, but that triple seal will keep your water nice and fresh. And with that stopper lid as well, that's held in place with that stopper ball. So you'll never misplace that lid, and there's no need to mess around with flip tops. So now giving you that full view of this Kube Carafe drinking water filter storage right there. So nice and beautiful stainless steel top with a triple seal stopper. And an elongated glass body with a nice thick finish. So right there, giving you that nice good look of this Kube Carafe drinking water filter system storage. And as you can see, the lid, or the top edge of the lid, does slant. So you have a way of distinguishing the pouring spout end So a finely crafted carafe from Kube by Kinetico. And it's so easy to remove the top as well. Once again giving you that top down look inside and on the underside of the cap or lid of this carafe. So once again, giving you that full view again, but this time round with the lid on. So that's the Kube Carafe drinking water filter storage. Thanks for watching and happy drinking!